Hey guys, Beardicus here. I'm doing another unboxing here. This time it's of the Creality Ender 3 3D printer. This one's going to be, purely an unboxing at this stage. The main construction and printing and all that sort of thing will be on my main TechWizTime channel, so check that over there. This particular video is going to be a little bit different. I have been doing one take unboxings, but I'm going to do a couple of takes, I think, because I've got a camera up above me and I've got a camera to the side of me here. So you're going to see a couple of different angles and I'm looking up at the monitor there. So anyway, with that said, let's start unboxing the Creality Ender 3 3D printer. So this one is a really nice printer. The Creality printers have just really forged ahead at being a really nice 3D printer. I'm gonna switch angles because all you're gonna see is box, and you can see up above there now how the box comes out. So it's a nice piece of foam there. I'll throw that on the floor. You've got here the guarantee and instructions for assembly. So that's really cool. Actually, I'll lift it up just a little bit so you can see it. The instructions. There we go. So I'll throw that down here for a second. This is the build plate by the looks of it. It's very nice looking. Comes off pretty simply. I would say what it is, and I haven't read completely what the Ender 3 does, but I would say that you attach it with the bulldog clips there, and that's how it attaches. So let's see what this one is here. This one looks like the control unit. There we go, really nice. That's steel there. There's the PCB behind with the ports. Looks like a speaker there. And a piece of film over the actual screen itself. I'm gonna leave that there for a moment. The knob feels really knobby. No, it feels really nice actually. That's, really nice feeling. I'm gonna put that to the side for the second, along with that. Now, what else can I take out here? Okay, so these look like some of the supports. You're not gonna see my face for much anyway, so I'll keep talking to the camera above. What else have we got here? Let me just see if I lift this. Okay. All right, so that looks like it's, so there's one of the, that's the nozzle. Okay, there we go. And that's a nice braided cable there. And the tubing for the filament. So, like I said, let me take off the bulldog clips. Bulldog clips. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's the actual build tack plate. Looks like it's got, okay, that's not an adhesive, it'll just basically sit on the top there, and then with the bulldog clips be clipped down. So if I flip it over, we can see underneath. This is all solid steel as well by the looks of it all. Yeah, it feels really solid, or aluminium. There's a couple of aluminium slots there. Then the actual bed with the tightening for the bed adjustments. That looks really, really nice. I'm going to put that one to the side as well. Now, what else have we got in here? We've got another couple of stepper motors. Really good. And this looks like the power supply here. This one's already set on 230 volts, which is good for Australia. You've also got the option there of changing it to 115 volts for American and overseas. So, looks like a 360 watt, 24 volt power supply, which should be plenty for heating up the bed and operating the unit. Awesome. So I think, oh, let's have a look. Maybe there's, oh, there is more stuff. Sweet. Let's throw that down there. We've got a power cable, which is of European 2-prong. I won't be using that. Could be American as well. There's another steel plate there. Another stepper motor. We've got a scraper, very scrapery, nice. Not quite sure yet, that could be for a filament holder. Got a lot of bits and pieces in there to start constructing this with. They so kindly included enough filament there to make a dog tag. And looks like the extruder piece, USB stick with the software on there ready to go. So that's that. Get rid of that one. And this looks like the last bit. Some more of the framework. So I think, over here, I think that was it. So that's the Creality Ender 3 unboxing, pretty much complete. I was gonna create it and build it, but yeah, there's a lot that could go wrong and probably will, so I'm gonna leave it for another video. Like I said, the main video on the TechWizTime channel will include print tests and all that sort of thing to show off the actual quality of the Creality Ender 3 3D printer. So make sure you check that over on the main channel. I'm going to probably be doing a construction video. On the main channel, it will have the time lapse of the build, but on the Beardicus channel, we will have the full build of me going through all the steps and all the stuff ups, so you can see exactly, yeah, how easy or how not easy it is to stuff it up. I have no idea, I haven't built this yet. So anyway, I just want to say thanks for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe, share this video out there on the interwebs, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys.